To fix a Kenmore front-load washer that's not spinning, it's essential to consider the common causes of this issue, which include selecting an improper wash cycle and spin setting, having an improper load size and balance, and a partially locked door. Before assuming a mechanical malfunction, try some simple solutions. First, ensure the correct wash cycle and spin settings are entered, and consult the washer's user manual for guidance. It's also crucial to feed the correct load size to the washer, as loads that are too small or too large can cause issues. Evenly distributing the load in the washer is vital for maintaining balance. Additionally, make sure the door is closed fully, as a partially closed door can prevent the washer from spinning. If these fixes don't resolve the issue, the cause may be mechanical, related to the motor or drive belts, and it's recommended to consult a qualified professional for further assistance. By following these steps, fixing a Kenmore front-load washer that's not spinning can be a relatively straightforward process.